This is firmware version V01.05.20. We're going to go down and do a device info, and there's the firmware, 01.05.20. We're going to back out. Problem number 1, date and time. We're 11:03 a.m. Watch what happens when we hit the check mark. 12:03 p.m. Continue to hit the check mark. It'll always up its game. So let's set our time correctly. We're going to go back to 10:04 a.m. Okay. We're 11:04. I'm going to back out, and we're going to go to timer shooting. So let me go down till I find it and click on it and hit the switch to green. We're going to click on time. It's 11:05 a.m. hopefully. If I choose 11:07, I would be going with screen recording. So I'm going to go to my stopwatch. I got 1 minute in. Going to exit out and hit start. At 1 minute 5, I should be doing a timer shoot. We are about a minute in. If it does not work with the time of 11, bring this back to 10:09 and try again. And here we go. Let's see if it goes 3, 2, 1 and record. It did not. There we go. 3, 2, 1, record. We have this set up to a minute. After a minute, that 3, 2, 1 will go off. That surprised me because I had to take my time. And once I got this done correctly, it worked. We're going to reset up for another minute's time, leaving our date and time alone and just changing our timer shooting and showing you how to set up. We are about 15 seconds finished. We are going to close down. I could stop my watch and reset it. And we are finalizing.